Welcome back to Beautyistic. Today, we're diving into a product that promises to elevate your skincare game, the Marini Skin Research Regeneration Booster. This product is designed to tackle fine lines, wrinkles, and dryness, key concerns for many of us looking to maintain youthful, hydrated skin. Let's take a closer look and see if it lives up to the hype. The Marini Skin Research Regeneration Booster comes in a sleek 1-ounce bottle packing 29.6 milliliters of skincare goodness. It's formulated to reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles while delivering a hefty dose of hydration to the skin. If you're looking for a product that combines anti-aging benefits with moisture, this might be one to keep an eye on. Now let's talk ingredients. The Regeneration Booster boasts a blend of peptides and antioxidants, which are crucial for skin regeneration and protection from environmental stressors. It's also formulated to improve skin texture, giving you that smooth, radiant finish that many anti-aging products promise. In addition, it's designed to work as a complementary treatment in your skincare routine, so it's versatile whether you use it alone or with other products. Using this product in my routine was a breeze. The texture is lightweight, almost serum-like, and it absorbs quickly into the skin without leaving any sticky residue. I found that it layered well with my other skincare products, which is a huge bonus since I often use multiple treatments at once. The real test was in how my skin felt afterward, smooth, hydrated, and visibly plumped. It's an instant glow-up, and after a few weeks of consistent use, I noticed my fine lines around the eyes and forehead looking softer. That said, let's get into the pros and cons. On the plus side, the texture is lightweight and hydrating, and it works well with other products. The hydration effect is noticeable immediately, and over time, I saw improvement in the skin's overall texture. It's also a good option if you have sensitive skin, as it didn't cause any irritation for me. On the downside, the price point might be a sticking point for some. While it delivers visible results, there are other products on the market that claim to do similar things at a lower cost. The packaging is simple and functional, but it's nothing groundbreaking. I also wish it came in a larger size, especially considering the price for just 1 ounce. As for value for money, it really depends on your priorities. If you're investing in a high-end, results-driven product, and you're looking for something that delivers noticeable skin improvements, then this could be worth it. However, if you're on a budget, there are other products out there that offer similar benefits without breaking the bank. Speaking of alternatives, if you're looking for something that's a bit more budget-friendly, but still effective, products with peptides like the Ordinary Buffet might be a solid alternative. It's a great option if you're looking to target fine lines and wrinkles, but don't want to splurge. In terms of build quality, the packaging is standard, but it does what it needs to do. I also appreciate that the bottle is compact and travel-friendly, making it easy to take on the go. The product's longevity seems solid. It's built to last through several weeks of daily use. Finally, if you've had any experience with Marini's customer support, you'll know they tend to be responsive and professional. They take their customer experience seriously, which is always a plus when investing in higher-end products. So, what's the final verdict? The Marini Skin Research Regeneration Booster is a solid choice for anyone looking to improve skin texture, reduce fine lines, and add hydration. It's especially great if you have sensitive skin and want a gentle yet effective anti-aging solution. However, the price may not be justifiable for everyone, especially when there are similar alternatives available at lower price points. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thank you for watching Beautyistic, and don't forget to check the comments or description box for the link to purchase this product. If you've used this product, drop a comment below. Let us know your thoughts. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.